Hi airdrop hunters, welcome to Airdrop Spot. So today we are going to be talking about DX25. DX25 is a DEX on the MultiversX blockchain. Recently DX25 launched a testnet program and it is an incentivized one with a reward pool of $100,000 to be shared between the early bird participants, those who have been interacting with their testnet early, and also those who participate in their Zealy quest. The $100,000 reward will be distributed between every participant. So you don't want to joke with any of their interaction, both the testnet and Zealy quest. Everything is important. Accumulate as many points as you can in their Zealy quest and also interact, create volume while interacting with their testnet. So let's get started. So at the point of making this tutorial, what I did was I visited Chrome Web Store and then I typed in MultiversX wallet. And here is the wallet we're looking for, and then I downloaded the wallet. Although there is another way to approach this and I will show us later in this video. So I tap on add to Chrome. Now that the wallet has been successfully downloaded, I'm going to go to my browser sidebar menu and I'm going to tap on that wallet, MultiversX wallet, in order to set it up. So you tap on create new wallet. Store your seed phrase somewhere safe and set your password. Please take note that in the process of creating your wallet, a file will be automatically downloaded on your device. A .json extension file will be automatically downloaded. And if you tap on that drop down there and you tap on MultiversX mainnet, you will see that there is a testnet, devnet and mainnet wallet, but all of them share the same address. So you have to copy your address because we are going to fill a form. The Google form is self-explanatory. What you are required to enter is your first and last names, your email address, your MultiversX wallet address that you just copied now, and where did you hear about DX25. Then you need to confirm if you will not engage in anything spammy or scammy. Lastly, confirm that every information you have entered is accurate, and then tap on the submit button, and that is all for the submission of the form. So we are going back to our testnet now. Go to devnet-wallet.multiversex.com/create. I'll put the link in the comment section. Now you can log in with your wallet, tap on connect with Keystore, and if you don't have a wallet before, you can tap on create a new one. Remember I mentioned earlier that a file with a JSON extension will be automatically downloaded on your device. Now you are going to tap on select a file and you are going to import that file with a .json extension. JSON as in JSON. Then after importing the file, you are going to enter your password. You can find the file in your download folder, that is where it will be. After importing your JSON file, then type in your password and then click on access wallet. Scroll to the bottom, then tap on access wallet again. Now our wallet is connected to their devnet website, and the next thing you want to do is go to the faucet to claim some XEGLD tokens. But at the point of making this tutorial, I already claimed faucet tokens, so I won't be claiming it, but I'll show you how to claim yours. Go to the sidebar menu and then tap on faucet. You can only claim faucet token once every 24 hours, so I couldn't do that again at the point of making this video. But remember to tap on that capture button, check it, and then select request tokens. You'll be given 30 XEGLD and some 5 million devnet tokens. Now we need to use that devnet token to mint the testnet tokens that we'll be using for the testnet interaction. So we are going to devnet.dex25.com/mint. I'll put the link in the comment section. So connect your wallet with the devnet website and indicate the number of the first token will be minting is USDC. So indicate the number of USDC that you'll be minting from the devnet tokens that you claimed from faucet. Then tap on mint tokens. Upload your Keystore file and put in your password, then tap on access wallet. Tap on sign and submit. Transaction submitted to the blockchain. So we are going to tap on the drop down and we are going to select another token to mint. This time we'll be minting USDC Indicate the number of USDC that you want to mint and then tap on Mint Tokens. Enter your password. Tap on Access Wallet. Tap on Sign and Submit. Transaction submitted. So we'll move on to the third token we want to mint. Tap on that drop down. Select Wrapped BTC. Indicate the number of Wrapped BTC that you would like to mint and follow the same process. Lastly, we'll be minting Wrapped ETH. Follow exactly the same process to mint that one too. Now we'll be moving over to their swap tab. We want to perform some swapping between XCGLD and other tokens that we just minted. So tap on the second drop down and select any of the tokens that you want to swap to or swap from. I'll be swapping between XCGLD and Wrapped ETH, so indicate the number of XCGLD you want to swap to Wrapped ETH. So I'll be swapping 1 XCGLD to Wrapped ETH. Then tap on the swap button. Enter your password. Tap on Access Wallet. Tap on Sign and Submit. So we're going to be doing another swapping, transaction submitted to the blockchain. We're going to be doing another swapping. We'll select another token this time. Tap on the drop down. We're going to be swapping to USDT. Indicate the number of XCGLD that you want to swap to USDT and then tap on the swap button. Enter your password, tap on Access Wallet and sign the transaction as usual. So you can continue swapping to any of those tokens right there. So that I won't waste our time, I won't be doing each of the swapping now. So you can choose any of those tokens right there that you want to swap into and then swap into all of them one after the other. So after swapping, we'll be moving to the liquidity tab. And we are going to add to the liquidity pool. Tap on Add Liquidity. Indicate the pair of tokens that you want to add to the liquidity. I'll be adding the XEGLD and USDC liquidity pair. Select your fee level and tap on this drop down right here. I'll be choosing full range liquidity. Now indicate the number of XEGLD that you want to add to liquidity, and the appropriate amount of USDC will be added automatically. Then tap on confirm adding liquidity. As usual, confirm the transaction in your wallet, enter your password, tap on access wallet, and then sign the transaction. Transaction submitted to the blockchain. You can decide to add another liquidity pair. We can add another pair to the liquidity pool. Tap on add liquidity again. Select the two pairs you want to add to the liquidity pool, XEGLD, and I'll be adding USDC this time. Select your fee level. Tap on that drop down and select your liquidity range. Then indicate the number of XEGLD you want to add to the liquidity pool, and the appropriate amount of USDT will be automatically added. Then confirm adding to liquidity. Enter your password, tap on access wallet, then sign the transaction and submit. So you can tap on the first pairing we added to the liquidity pool, that's XEGLD and USDC. The next thing you can do at this stage is you can either harvest your liquidity pool reward or you can close that position. But because we just added the pair to the liquidity pool, we can't get any reward now. So you can be doing the harvesting about a couple of hours later, maybe 2 or 3 hours, or even the next day. You would have gotten some reward from there. So you can harvest your reward or you can close your position. Repeat the process for the rest of the tokens, and now we are going back to our DevNet wallet. What you want to do here is you are going to take a screenshot of your transaction history. Save the screenshot, then go to the sidebar menu when you are done taking screenshots. And then copy your wallet address. Now after doing that, you're going to head over to their Discord server. I'll put the link to their Discord in the comment section as well. Now in their Discord server, you are going to head over to DevNet feedback. And you are going to post the screenshot of your transaction as well as your wallet address, just like you see every other person doing right here. Just like everyone else is dropping their wallet address and their transaction history, you're going to do that. And if you encounter any bug or you have any complaints while you are interacting with their testnet, drop it along with your message. Let them know the bug you have encountered. And that will be the end of the testnet interaction. Next, we are going to go to the Zealy website. We want to participate in their Zealy quest as well. I'll also drop the link to the Zealy quest in the comment section. And I think all of us watching this video are actually familiar with Zealy quest. You want to perform as many tasks as you can to gain as many points as you can. I think you can gain up to 1,000 points every day if you come here to participate every day. So that's just basically the end of DX25 Testnet instruction. Thank you for watching my video, and if you have any question, don't forget to drop me a comment in the comment section, or you can join us on Telegram and ask your questions here. Don't forget to subscribe if you have found value in my content, like this video so that more people can get to see it, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.